This video will not only give you a clear idea of what to expect when you visit the ruins of Pompeii, but will also inform you about where to book cheap tickets, how much time you need to spend here, which time slots you need to book, where to park, and where to eat after a visit here. So watch till the end, so that there are no nasty surprises. The site is about half an hour's drive from Naples Airport. Just 100 meters away from the Porta Marina entrance, there are ample parking spaces available. Ascos Tours is reliable, but if you book through Get Your Guide app, you might get a discounted rate. To explore the ruins, you need to book a guided trip, not just an audio guide, but a proper guide who will have a deep understanding of the history of the ruins. Our guide was extremely knowledgeable and made our trip memorable. You need to give yourself at least 2 hours to see this amazing place. Try to book a slot as early in the morning as possible, especially during summer months, as it becomes extremely hot in the afternoon. Carry plenty of water to keep yourself rehydrated. After you finish your trip, you can have some authentic Italian food at Hortus restaurant, which is just opposite to the main entrance of Porta Marina. Welcome to Pompeii, the city frozen in time. Once a bustling Roman town, Pompeii now lies eerily silent, an archaeological wonder filled with haunting beauty. In the shadow of Mount Vesuvius, Pompeii was a thriving center of trade and culture in the Roman Empire. Its streets were lined with homes, markets, and temples. But in 79 AD, everything changed. It erupted with unimaginable force, covering Pompeii and nearby towns in a deadly rain of ash and pumice. The tragedy sealed the city, preserving it for nearly 2 millennia. The streets of Pompeii are still scarred with the tracks of ancient carts, and on its walls, inscriptions and graffiti remain, notes, names, messages left behind by residents who had no idea what was coming. The heart of Pompeii was the forum, where people gathered to trade, worship, and socialize. Life pulsed through every corner of this city. The wealthy residents of Pompeii adorned their villas with intricate frescoes and mosaics. Scenes of mythology, lush gardens, and family gatherings decorate the walls, reflecting the cultural richness and artistic skills of their time. Walking through these homes, we find tools, cooking pots, jewelry, everyday items that bring us closer to the people who once lived here. These objects, left untouched, offer a rare intimacy with the past. One of the most haunting aspects of Pompeii are the plaster casts of its people, captured in their final moments. Trapped in ash, they are frozen in positions of fear and protection, reminding us of the human toll of Vesuvius's eruption. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you liked most about your Pompeii visit.